Hey, what's up? It's me, Errol, back again with another video. Now today we're doing sheet vinyl in the bathroom. I'll be showing you how we fit sheet vinyl in a bathroom that has a bath, a shower and a toilet. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we're doing. Now that you've seen what we're up to, let's crack on. So now that we've established that we have more than enough vinyl to hit all the vital points of the bathroom, we've made sure that it's straight. It's time to put our knife to work. This point cut that I'm making is to do two things. First thing is to make sure that I have enough vinyl to cover the corner. The second thing it's doing is to split the bathroom into two halves, because it's a funny shaped bathroom. So I'll split it into two halves. I'll fit the half of the toilet first, and then I'll fit the half of the shower. The next cut we're getting ready to make is the one in front of the toilet, which I tend to like to use one straight cut dead center of the toilet to begin with, and then I do a series of small cuts all the way around the base of the toilet. Ordinarily I wouldn't measure this because I know I have enough vinyl to hit the back of the wall. I would suggest that you measure just to make sure that you have enough vinyl. Nothing's going to annoy you more than you drop short and you have to put a joint in at the back. Or at the worst, order another piece of vinyl. So, measure twice, cut once. And again, remember, when you spray the floor, remember to spray the back of the vinyl. It helps it to stick better. Those series of little cuts around the bottom of the toilet helps the vinyl to sit round. If you'd like to see in detail how I fit the vinyl around the toilet, check out my playlist. What I'm preparing to do here now is make a V cut in the corner to help the vinyl sit flat so that I can trim it down. You'll notice I took two measurements there. That's because the bathroom generally isn't square. Your greatest enemy in vinyl fitting is a blunt blade. So always try and keep a sharp blade in your knife. And there you go with that V cut again in the corner to make the vinyl sit flat so that you can trim it down. When trimming down the vinyl, always remember, cut it long and then trim it down again. You can trim it down as many times as you like, but what you can't do, replace it once you've cut it short. Well, here we are, finishing up the first half of the bathroom. And again, remember, when you spray the floor, remember to spray the back of the vinyl. It helps it to stick better. If you've got this far in the video, thank you for watching. Now, don't forget to go and check out my playlist. And while you're there checking out my playlist, also hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know whenever I upload a new video. I think we've just about come to the end of this one. Why not check out this next video coming up? Thank you for watching.